Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the prerequisites and opening the Translate experience. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 15 or later and has Wi-Fi or cellular. Once done, sign into your Apple ID so iCloud can sync languages and preferences. Next, locate the Translate app. If it's not installed, download Apple Translate from the App Store. After install, grant microphone and language permissions so the app can listen and show translations in real time. This gets you ready to configure languages. You now configure how translation works. First, open the app and choose your source language and the language you want to translate to. If you're unsure, enable Detect Language for automatic recognition. Once selected, tap Conversation to use split screen mode and allow two people to speak naturally. Make sure to download the offline language packs for the most used languages so translations work without data. Also set your microphone sensitivity and speaking voice in settings for clearer input and more natural. Finish by testing and optimizing performance. Speak short phrases first to confirm accurate detection and move the mic closer if speech is muffled. You can also type or use camera mode for signs and menus. Once confident, enable auto-translate in conversation mode and pin frequent phrases to favorites for quick access. If translations stutter or fail, quit the app and reopen, check mic permissions, or delete and reinstall the app. Resetting language settings often resolves persistent recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.